whatever you are watching me, welcome to the Light Farm and the Light Family here. Happy New Year, everybody. We bring to you today is how to couple a cage. We have a different type of cages. We have manual cage and automatic. But what we want to discuss today is manual cage. Manual cage, the one that we want to discuss about is 160 capacity. That's 160 bed capacity. So how to couple it? That's what we want to discuss. Before we move on, don't forget to like our YouTube channel and try to help us share it your friends and others. Thank you. So this is floor. Why this one is dark? And this one that you see here, we call it copper. And this one that is here, some call it demarcation, some call it partition. But whatever you call it partition and demarcation. So if you want to couple, try to make sure you have your manual plier. We are using manual plier and also we are using clipping gun. But the one that we want to discuss about today is manual plier. So manual plier is taking time a lot because before you clip, at least maybe 1 unit, if you are using clipping gun, you have clipped about 5 units. Let's start. So make sure you have your back like this. You can see this place is open and while this place is closed. Make sure this place you put it down like this before you clip and start clipping. And when you are clipping, make sure the gap is not too much, it's not wide like this. Make sure your gap is closer so that when you open it and the bed inside, they put insert bed inside, it will not affect the bed. So you have to do it like this. Make it closer like this, and like this. So after you clip with your manual plier, though manual plier, when you use it, your hand will be somehow pain you, but you have to endure. So that's how we roll. So when you use it like this, after you clip, you know that we have clipped the back. What next? You have to bring your demarcation or partition. So this cell is 5 cells. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But how are you going to know? It's because we saw a one that we already did at the down before you put the one on top. So what you are going to do now is put your partition here and begin to do it one after the other. So this is partition 1. Open it like this and put it. So you clip it 1, 2, and 3. So for you to make it stand very well, just clip this place so that when you begin to do it, it will not disturb you too much. So partition 2 or demarcation 2. So this is it. 1, 2, 3. So that it will stand very well. We are still going to do the back, but for it to stand very well and not to disturb us, that's why we are doing it here like that. So this is it, and 3. So partition 3, you will take it. This partition 3, and make sure that this cell is not bigger than the other. You have to share it and follow the one that we put at the down so that you will get the accurate things that you need. So this is the second one. You can see that the one is down here. You use that cell, that demarcation to do it. So 1, 2, and 3. So when your clip manual plier, the clip that is inside is finished, try to remove it like this. And make sure you put another one. This is another one. So put it inside. After you put it inside, make sure this one you flip it back. So quantity 1, 2, and 3. So partition number 4 now. 1, 2, 3. This one also. So partition number 5. This partition number 5. We flip it, and flip it. We are still going to do it later, but for it to stand very well, that's why we are doing it like that. 1, 2, and 3. So this is last partition. The last partition. We clip it 1, and make sure that your clip is very tight when you are doing it, so that when you put bed inside, you know some bed have weight. Bed have weight because it's not only 1, 2 that you are going to put inside one cell. At least you are going to put 4 or 3 inside the cell. So you must make sure that your plier and the pin is very tight. So 2, 3, 4, and 5. And make sure that this is the last one, because this place, this last demarcation is the one that we are going to use to hang with the legs. So we are going to teach ourselves when we reach that side, that level. So after that, you clip it, and you make sure you clip it. Now you can see that when we count it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 cells. What next now? We are going to put the cover. So we call it top cover. So when you put it, now that you are putting it, what next? Clip, and clip. The clip is finished. Let's put another one. Yeah. So this is another one that we put. So clip it, and make sure that this head is very tight when you are clipping it. So this is it. This is it. This is it. Yeah. 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 So when you are clipping the head, so some of them are going to stop you or disturbing you. Try to press it down. You know. So when you press it, you are going to get what you need. So another one, we will do it again. It's going to disturb you. You can see it's not easy something. It's not easy at all, but you have to do it to make sure that everything is okay. So this next one, another one, you can see page is almost ready. But before page is ready, it's not an easy something. The person that buys the page, he buy it so that you can make a lot of money. And the person that want to install it also to make your money, not to pay inside. So whatever you want to do, you have to do it and make sure that everything that you are doing need. Not that they said that we are going to do it and I must do it. No, everything has a logic, and everything that you are doing in life you must have passion for it. Not that I must make the money. You have passion for it so that people can make sure that they know you. Not that I want to make the money. When you have passion, no matter how, you are still going to make a lot of money inside what you are doing, my brother. So now this is the phase. We call this phase. So this is where they are going to put the chicken through this place. After that, they will lock it. After that, they will lock it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 cells. So now let's lock the phase. Yeah. Yes. 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 And make sure, don't forget, if you want to install or you want to buy a cage or anything, any agro machine you are installing, don't forget to chat us or call our number 2070 5578 5826. Or if you are outside country, try to put our country code +234 70 55 78 5826 +234 70 55 78 5826. You will surely meet us everywhere. We are on Facebook, we are on TikTok, we are on WhatsApp, we are on Telegram, and we are on WhatsApp. You can chat us on WhatsApp on our number +234 70 55 78 5826. That's our number. We are your best companion. So the cage is almost done. You can see it. It's not an easy something. So this is the cage. The pieces that we show you, we already couple it. So this is the cage, and if you look at it, you can see that this 1 cell, 2 cells, 3 cells, 4 and 5, and the cage is 160 capacity. We have 460 capacity, we have 128 capacity, we have 120 capacity, and we have 96 capacity. Any one you want, we give you. And we are installed any kind of agro machine, manure dryer, manure scraper, hammer mill, and so on and so. So try and please subscribe, like us, and try to share it with your friends. Thank you so much. Till the next time we are going to meet.